Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation.
Today we're taking a look at a powerful and budget-friendly upgrade for anyone using Makita 18V tools. This is the TeenPower 2-Pack 6.0, our replacement battery set with a dual-port charger. If you depend on your Makita tools for work, projects, or home DIY, having reliable and long-lasting batteries is essential. And this bundle gives you exactly that with high-capacity performance, fast charging, and dependable build quality. That if you want to check this product out for yourself, a link is in the description. These 6.0 batteries are designed to deliver extended runtime, so you can work longer without stopping. Compared to standard lower-capacity batteries, the 6.0 size gives you noticeably more juice for drills, saws, impact drivers, grinders, and any other Makita-compatible tool. That means fewer interruptions while cutting wood, driving screws, or working on heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're a contractor or a home user, that extra runtime makes your work smoother and more efficient. The best part is that these batteries are fully compatible with Makita 18V LXD tools. The design matches the original footprint, fits securely into the tool, and locks firmly in place. Inside the battery, you get upgraded lithium-ion cells that provide stable power delivery throughout the entire discharge cycle. That helps prevent power drop-off and keeps your tools performing at full strength from start to finish. TeenPower also integrates an intelligent protection system built right into the battery. It monitors temperature, current, and voltage in real time to prevent issues like overcharging, overheating, or short circuits. That helps extend battery lifespan and ensures safe operation even during heavy workloads. It is a reliable setup for anyone who depends on their tools in a fast-paced work environment. The included dual-port charger is another huge advantage. You can charge 2 batteries at once, reducing downtime and letting you rotate through battery packs without slowing down. The charger uses a smart charging method that adjusts the flow to protect the battery cells while still delivering fast charging speeds. LEDs on the charger let you know the charging status, so you can always keep track of which battery is ready to go. Another great benefit is that these batteries maintain consistent performance across various weather conditions. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, they hold strong even in cooler temperatures. The rugged exterior is built for job site toughness and can withstand rough handling, dust, and vibration. Each battery is lightweight despite the large capacity, so your tools stay comfortable to hold. This is especially helpful for overhead drilling, framing, or long periods of cutting where heavy batteries can add fatigue. The balanced design keeps your tools feeling natural and easy to maneuver. If you need long-lasting and cost-effective replacement for your Makita 18V tools, this bundle provides excellent value. You get 2 high-capacity 6.0 batteries and a dual-port fast charger, making it perfect for professionals, workshop users, or anyone building a tool collection. These batteries give you the runtime, power, and reliability needed to handle almost any task. If you want to check this product out for yourself, a link is in the description.